Google Drives.
Today our lessons 10. India, Bangladesh. About my region, about quality education. Today topics.
Okay.
Current
But
population.
hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
One minute. We have only 40 minutes. In this session, first 40 minutes, we have discussed only on first chapter. It is about my region, my country, then my country's population. Then in next session of 40 minutes, we'll discuss on another point, quality education. There are also another points. Okay, first you have present your presentation on first chapter. It is about my region.
Okay.
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 If you have complete your presentation, ask me. I will continue it. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Population of Bangladesh in 2021. The current population of Bangladesh is 16 plus crore. Maybe here the statistics May 28, 2021, based on the world meter elaboration of latest United Nations data. What is Bangladesh famous for? It is home to world's largest river delta, which is formed by Brahmaputra and Ganga river. Roaming Bengali tiger in the Sundarban, a mangrove and swamp pond in the delta. For the largest natural uninterrupted sea beach in Asia, it's called Cox's Bazar, which is 150 kilometer long. Bangladesh, Islamic country. Bangladesh was founded as a secular state, but Islam was made the state religion in 1980. But in 2010, the High Court held up the secular principles of the 1970 Constitution. Bangladesh have a popular of 149
14 crore.
14 crore per as per 2011 census. Bangla means Purisankar. Capital of Bangladesh. Dhaka, also spelled Dhaka, city and capital of Bangladesh. It is located just north of Buriganga River, a channel of the Dholeshwari River in the south central part of the country. Dhaka is the Bangladesh most popular city and is one of the largest metropolises in South Asia. Area of Bangladesh. People's Republic of Bangladesh, area of Bangladesh, total 56 plus square mile, water 6.4, land area 13,170 square kilometer, water area 18,000 plus square meter. Here the map of Bangladesh. Dhaka, this is central region, that means capital city. Here is Kumilla. I stay here. And it's here is Kumilla, here. It's a division of Chittagong. Established of Bangladesh. With the part of the with the partition of the India in 1947, it became the Pakistan province of East Bengal, later renamed East Pakistan. One of the 5 provinces of Pakistan, separate from the other 4 by 1 and 100,000 mile, far difference, 180 100 kilometer, 1800 kilometer of Indian territory in 1971. It became the independent country of the Bangladesh, which is the capital at the Dhaka. With the partition of India in 1947, it became the Pakistan province of the East Bengal, later renamed East Pakistan, one of the 5 provinces of Pakistan, separate from other the 4 by same data. What did Bangladesh separate from Pakistan? When the declared war broke out between East Pakistan and West Pakistan in December 1971, the joint force of India Army and Mukti Bahini, later known as the Bangladesh Armed Force, defeated Pakistani force in East Pakistan, and the independent state of Bangladesh was created. When did Bangladesh became an independent country? The capital of Pakistan was Karachi in West Pakistan and moved to Islamabad in 1958. However, due to the discrimination in economy and ruling power against them, the East Pakistan vigorously protest and the declare independent on March 26 in 1971 under the leadership of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. As a consequence, East Pakistan seated and the dependent state of Bangladesh or Bengali nation was proclaimed on March 26, 1971. Civil war broke out, and with the help of Indian troops in the last few weeks of the war, East Pakistan defeated West Pakistan on December 16 in 1971. Do you know him? Jagadish Singh Arora, the Indian Major General. The 13 days military conflict in one of the shortest war in history.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It ended with a decisive win for India and lead to the creation of Bangladesh. India on Wednesday is observing the 5th anniversary of the 1971 war with Pakistan, also known as the Bangladeshi Liberation War. Who gave the name of Bangladesh? It was the mention in the introduction of political life of the Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, part of the book Karachi Karagarer Rudnancha that Bangabandhu made by the declare naming the country as Bangladesh in 1969. The famous book কারাগারের রোজ নামচা, written by founder of Bangladesh, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Origin of the region, Chittagong. Why is the Chittagong called Chattogram? Now it's called Chattogram. Name in 2018, Cabinet Division of Bangladesh government have decided to change the city name to the version of its Bengali spelling, drawing in some concern. After that, the name was changed Chattogram based on its Bengali pronunciation. Now our division name is Chattogram. Why Chattogram famous for us? Chattogram is an ancient seaport due to the natural harbor. It was noted as one of the largest eastern port by the Roman geography Ptolemy in the 1st century. During the 16th century, Portugal historian Jorge Barros described the Chittagong as the most famous and wealthy city of the Kingdom of Bengal. Chittagong, a mega city. Chittagong is the largest district in Bangladesh, a city with the population more than 5,000. 5 lakh. 5 lakh is defended by the Bureau as the mega city. Together, Dhaka and the port city of Chittagong account for 48% of the country urban population. An urban center with the population of less than 100,000 is defined as a town. In total, there are the 490 such the town in Bangladesh. The Bengal Delta, located the coastline of Bangladesh, the largest river delta in the world, with some of the world's most fertile soil. The delta is home to approximately 130 million people. 28. A large majority of the population who depend on the agriculture for the survival. Best place to visit Bangladesh, Sundarban mangrove forest. Sundarban is the largest mangrove forest on the earth and UNESCO World Heritage Site. 2. Chittagong, the hill tracks. Chittagong hill tracks area is a natural beautiful place full of the beautiful hills. 3. Srimongol. 4. Rangamati. 5. Paharpur. 6. Saint Martin Island. 7. Mangrove Forest. 8. Sylhet. 9. Coxbazar. 10. Sonargaon. It is the best beautiful place of Bangladesh. After Corona situation, you come Bangladesh and visited the historical place.
Sure, sir, sure.
Language of Bangladesh. Bengali, Bangla, the national language of Bangladesh, belong to the Indo-Aryan group of languages and it's related to the Sanskritic. Here is the pronunciation: Ko, Kho, Go, Go, Uwa, Sha, Cha, Jo, Joh, Nio, To, Tho, Do, Do, Mordorno. This is Bengali alphabet and the consonant.
Same like as Indian. It is also related to Sanskrit. Sanskrit
Yes,
language. very nice.
Sanskrit related.
Sanskrit language. Sanskrit.
Yes. Airport of Bangladesh. Bangladesh has 5 domestic airport, 3 international airport, which is also used from domestic flight, as in 5 stall, short take-off landing ports with the new domestic airport under the construction. Harjat Shah Jalal International Airport, Dhaka. This is the largest and principal international airport of the country. Shah Amanat Shah International Airport, Chittagong. This airport is situated in the port of city, Chattogram. Osmani International Airport, Sylhet. Bangladesh Railway. Bangladesh Railway is a state-owned rail transport agency of Bangladesh. It's operated and maintains the all railways in the country and is overseen by the Director General of Bangladesh Railway. Bangladesh Railway is the government by the Ministry of Railway and the Bangladesh Railway Authority. Its reporting mark is BR. Bangladesh Railway system has a total length of the 3,600 kilometer, 2,200 mile. In 2009, Bangladesh Railway had a 34,000+ employee. In 2014, Bangladesh Railway carried 65 million passengers and 2.5 million ton of freight. The railway made 8,135 billion passenger and kilometer and 677 million ton kilometers. How many districts are there Bangladesh? There are country 8 division of Bangladesh. Each is named after the major city within the jurisdiction that also serve as the administrative seat of the division. Each division is the further split into the several districts, which are the further subdivision into the upazila. Sir, please convey me. My pronunciation not exactly, but you see the skin.
No, sir. Very nice explaining. You are explaining very nice, very nice. I am listening very carefully because I also related with Bangladesh. Some pronunciation of Bangladesh are related to us. No matter, doesn't matter. Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Please
Thank you.
proceed.
According to Banglapedia, 700 rivers flow in Bangladesh. Bangladesh has many rivers, but the informal is old and obsolete. There is an including tributaries flow through the country, constituting a waterway of total length of around 15,000 miles. The river. Here is the some river, name of river, district covered by the river in mile and total length in miles. Surma Meghna, it's a district covered Sylhet, Kumilla, Borishal. Its length 570 kilometer. Koratwa, Atrai, Gumari, Ursagar. Discovered Dinaspur, Rajshahi, and long 615 kilometer. Podda, the Ganga River. It is the famous of Indian Ganga, Bangla name Podda. Rajshahi, Pabna, Dhaka, Faridpur. This covered area and long.
Padma,
Yes.
Padma,
Yes.
Padma.
Bengali pronunciation Podda. Pronunciation
Very nice.
Podda. But pronunciation Padma, written by Padma. Bengali name written by Padma,
Yes.
but pronunciation Podda.
Okay.
Garai Madhumati, Gorai Madhumati, Doleshwari. Boleshuri, Kustia, Faridpur, Jashore, Khulna, and Borishal covered area. Old Brahmaputra, the covered area, Mymensingh, Brahmaputra, Jammu, the Rangpur, Pabna covered area. Dakatia, the famous river, Kumilla and Noakhali. This is our river, Dakatia. Kornofuli, the Chittagong Hill Tax, covered Chittagong Hill Tax area and Chittagong, the 100 miles. What is the biggest hill in Bangladesh? This is Bangladesh biggest hill, the name of Tajung Tong. Tajung Tong. Keukaradang is peak of the located in Bangladesh. Bangladesh with the 11th of 986 meter. Some of the sources claim it's the highest point of Bangladesh. Keukaradang. Keukaradang Bengali means Tajung Tong. Sorry, the hill text language. No picture here. List of the mountains of Bangladesh. Saka, Hapong, Jo, Tilong, Damlong, etc. Sir. It's a name.
Yes, sir.
It's the list of mountain of Bangladesh. That means hills.
Which one?
Oh, okay. That's the second part, quality education. Now why?
Okay. No. We'll see it in next session. Okay. Very nice presentation, sir. Very thank you. I hardly thanks to you because most of names you are utter or you are describing, it is related to us, our country. Same early when you freedom in 1971.
Yes.
Still, we are the brothers because so many cultures, costumes, then culture, then languages, then pronunciation, fonts, all these are related to each other. And I like very much Bangladesh. Before I only listening about the country that it is East Pakistan. But now most of videos I saw in this pandemic of Pakistan also, but their language is Urdu, Urdu
Yes.
Zuban.
Urdu
But
Zuban.
in Pakistan or East Pakistan or today's Bangladesh, most of you people or our brother are speaking Sanskrit, and it is related to our what culture. Means most of the words we used, you also used. Most rivers, mountains, they are look like or the pronunciation of Indian. Okay, please
Thanks.
make me host. I will share my screen also. I have not prepared very well because I have just returned from school, and it is our duty to continue our this training within our time or lapse.
Recording problem. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Okay,
Now, where I live in my district, Nasik district, Sinnar Tehsil or Taluka place, or from here, there is only 60 kilometers away. There is Shrine Temple of Sai Baba. It is world's famous temple, and it is the richest temple in the world. It is a second number temple. So many pilgrims, even so many religions, even not only Hindus or Muslims, but Buddh, Christians, then Sikhs, all types of pilgrims visit every year here. But since last March 2020 pandemic, it is closed. But it is one of the most favor or pilgrimage temple in our country and even Maharashtra also. It is only 60 kilometers away from my hometown. 40 kilometers away from my hometown. And where I am living, it is only 60 kilometers away. Mumbai is the capital city of Maharashtra. It is also one of the leading and richest city in the world. There are so many structures in this capital city. The what we call the India Gate, or it is called the peoples who are from another country, like British people, where they enter from Gateway of India, means where they enter. It is called Gateway of India. So many places, historical places, religious places, then church gate, or it is now called Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminals. These municipal buildings, then Mantralaya, or the member of parliament where they stay, then Taj Mahal Hotel. These are some favorite places of Mumbai. Then Mumbai has a natural serene. It has a west coast, means uh, there is a Chowpatty and so many natural surroundings here. The bridge uh, we can see here, it is man-made structure in India or near Mumbai. It is built in sea, Arabian Sea. There is so many unique structures. In Mumbai, there is a slum. It is Asia's biggest slum, where we found so many people live in very small cottage or huts. Then these are some places, beaches, then Taj hotels, then Gateway of India. There is some scenes of Mumbai, the capital city of Maharashtra. This is the these are the pictures of Delhi. Delhi is the capital city of our country, means India. We have so many, so various types of temples where we found in Delhi. The structure were constructed about 400 or 600. Some structures are uh, they are structured in the AD, means where we found the ancient city in the world, Delhi. Then Lal Killa or Red Fort, where we the flag hosting uh, at every 15th August of our national day, or even 26th of January.
Sir, here the
India population.
sir, here the India Gate. This is India Gate, called India Gate. The
Yes, and that is Gateway of India.
oh,
Now see, this is Gateway of India. It is found in Mumbai. Queen Victoria, when she was entered in India for the purpose of her welcome, the Gateway of India were built in Mumbai. Okay,
yes.
and India Gate. Here is India Gate. It is structured in Mughal Samrat or Mughal time. It is called India Gate. Gateway of India and India Gate are two separate. India Gate is in New
Oh,
Delhi.
yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
India is in Mumbai. Okay.
Yes.
Red Fort. Red Fort is a structure in all red colors stone. So it is called Red Fort. And the flag hosting of 26th January. It is our Republic Day. And 15th August 1947. Means 15th August is Independence Day. These two national festivals celebrate on this Red Fort, or the India population in 2021 estimated is to be 1.339
Cool.
billion, means 139 crores. It is one of the leading population in the world. I think China is number one. It is 140 plus or 50 plus crore, but India is fifth number uh, for the population of. No, I think it is second number, India. Okay. So we have the origin of India in 73,000 or 53,000 years ago in South Asia. The Mehergam or Baluchistan in Pakistan were founded. It is also called 4500 BCE, means before the Isvisan is Jesus Christ. That is the international calendar year is being start or begin. It is called BCE 1900. Before that, India had found some footprints or some things. Uh, there may be some people or some human beings live in this Indian continent. In this Indian continent, we found India, Bangladesh, Bangladesh, or Burma, then Pakistan, then Afghanistan, then some Arabian countries also there. And in India, we find Indo-Aryan tribes. Aryan tribe is the oldest tribe in India. We found these tribes or these people in South India also, Tamil Nadu, then Karnataka, then Kerala. Still we. Then Punjab, then Punjab and from Central Asia. Means Asia is a continent where we see the Vedic period. Vedic means four Vedas. Rigved, Samved, Atharved, and Yajurved. These are the Vedas. They written by these Aryas. The period of this 1500 BC to 500 BC means this is the ancient place in the world, India. Then from that we have so many changes in our country. Then Magad, then Jainism, then Buddhism, then Hinduism, Brahminism. So many types of peoples we are living. Even Muslims are there, and these types of peoples we are living equally. Or this India is called all religions. What it called the country? It has secular country. I mean, it has no any particular region or religion, but it is called secular. Means Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. Then all types of peoples are living here. Then in that period, 18th century, the history were written Marathas from Maharashtra and then Karnataka. Then Sikhs are from Punjab and some parts of Delhi, Haryana. Then Mysoreans from Karnataka and Nizams. Nawabs of Bengal means West Bengal's Nawab. These are some regions where we found in history after the 18th centuries. Then in mid of 18th and 19th century, East India Company had founded her footprints from where they from Britain, and they ruling or started the ruling in India in 1887. They rocked the parts of North and Central India, and they start to ruling India because we have a natural beauty of India. We have cottons, various types of grains, and some some types of what it called. They take away from here. Then golds, then iron. That is why they come here. And after that, in 19 or late in the 19th century and early in the 20th century, Mahatma Gandhi ji and Lokmanya Tilak, Subhash Chandra Bose also, they started the movement to free our country or India. Even Muslim League also joined to build our nation or free from the British government or rule. These are some things. And India has so many 28 states, then four territories, and we have so many capital cities in every state. Some territory region, some parts they have every places. Uh, Airports in India, we have so many private um, airbuses, but the Indian Authority of India is government authorized or government authorizations authority of India. It's rule the aviation in India. Then in Maharashtra we have Mumbai, two uh, terminals. One is Indira Gandhi International Terminal and one is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminals. Uh, where I live in Nashik district, Sinnar, we have nearest two airports. One is near Shirdi, the Shrine Temple of Sai Baba, and one is Ozar, where the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited MiG planes are the planes which we use for fighting, where they structure. there is also this we can find in India 28 states, 8 territories, and still we are means not still, but forever we are called one country, one nation. And so in India, so many rivers are there because India has two part geographically so many parts. In summer, the like Ganga, its flow after melting the snow from Himalayan parts. Then Narmada in Madhya Pradesh, in Maharashtra, there is Godavari, Koyna, Krishna, then Kaveri. These are some Nira, Bhima, Chandrabhaga. These are some rivers. Mahanadi is also the biggest river. Indus River, then Brahmaputra, then Narmada, Tapi, Godavari. These are some longest rivers. But what we find in India, so many rivers. Some rivers are running from west to east, and some rivers are running from east to west. It is divided on Sahyadri ranges of the mountains, and we have some highest peaks in India. K2 or Godwin Austin, it is 8,611, the highest peak in India subcontinent. Yeah, it is in Baltistan, and Jiningjang, and the second highest summit in the world.
Sir,
Means after, yes sir.
K2 is the Pakistan highest peak no, or India highest peak?
No,
K2,
no, no,
K2.
is India highest peak.
Oh,
K2 Godwin Austin.
okay.
Hello.
Thank you, sir.
Then second one in Kazir Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga is second highest
Kanchenjunga,
peak in
Kanchenjunga,
Indian.
yes.
It is Kanchenjunga, or in our native language it is called Kanchenjunga. 8,586 meters from sea level. Then third one is Nanda Devi, it is 7,816. It is the second highest peak in India, and it is ranked the 23rd highest peak across the world. Nanda Devi National Peak, located in vicinity. The peak consists of the best highest altitude flora and fauna. Then we have so many uh, what things we can see explain about India. India has geographically divided by so many parts. In south we have the sea shore, and in north it is Himalayan ranges of snowy winds. Then in east, we found so many rainy seasons. Like we are also living together. Then in the west side, we have some what Rajasthan is the where we Thar, the India's most what we call what it called the region is called what? There is ocean of sand. Okay, ocean of sand. Then in Kutch is also some parts of ocean of sand. So I have been presented here some my parts where I bit prepare myself, my country India. I have prepared. Is there any doubt or questions in your mind? Please ask me.
No question, sir. You're the excellent. The excellent presentation.
No, no, no. We have prepared while you giving lecture. Now please stop recording.
Uh,
There is no any joint. There is no